Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if you're coming across an issue on the Google Chrome browser that says that your connection is not private. So this error will typically occur when the website you're trying to view does not support HTTPS and only supports HTTP connections. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the Chrome browser and you want to select the three-dot icon up in the top right corner and then go down and select settings. Select privacy and security on the left panel. And then on the right side, you want to go down and select security. So on the right side where it says always use secure connections, you want to go ahead and toggle that to the off position and then attempt to reload the web page, and then hopefully the issue should be resolved. Please note this is usually not a great long-term solution. The website really should update its security, and it should have an HTTPS connection. So that's just one thing to consider there. You may also need to go onto the website domain and remove the S from the HTTPS, and then try and relaunch the web page as well. That's an alternative option to explore. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.